Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram Messenger active friend not showing on iPhone and Android device. So guys, lot of Instagram user has been reporting to Instagram Messenger top corner active friends not showing on iPhone and Android device. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on your Instagrams. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android. When the Instagram users open the Instagram messengers and top corner active friends not showing problem. Instagram say when you hide your active status, then another people and friends also active status is not available on your iPhone and Android device. Sometimes Instagram users hide your active status but still your friends active status is not showing on your iPhone and iPad. In this video I will show you what to do for the fixing active friend not showing problem in Instagrams. Now first one important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android devices and open the Instagram application. Open the Instagram. After you can see also right hand side corner profile section. Now please make sure tap on in and right hand side corner 3 lines. Now tap on the settings. In settings now again third one option is privacy. Now again scroll down and select the active status option. When you hide your active status, then you can see also Instagram Messenger top corner friend active status is not showing. Fix this issue, turn on the active status on your Instagram application. This bot active status is enabled. Now again come back in home screens. Now open the Instagram applications. Now tap on the right hand side corner messenger. In messenger refresh your page. After you can see also top corner active status is available. So guys, this way too you can easily Instagram Messenger active status fix problems on your iPhone and Android devices. If you don't get these options, so guys please make sure update your Instagrams on your iPhone and Android device. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.